Alright guys, welcome to another piano lesson. So today I'll be teaching you A Date with Jesus by EBUKA Songs. It's a new song and the song is in the key of F sharp, but I've transposed it to C. So I'm going to play the song in the key of C. So I'll play the song, then I give you a full piano tutorial. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe for more content and God bless you. Okay, so we'll get straight to the song. Alright guys, that's all about the song. Okay, any other thing that he's doing, just speaking then coming back to the song. Okay, so the song, the chord progression is very straightforward. So the chord progression is remember I've transposed and I'm playing the key of C. So it's the 6, that's A minor. Okay, A minor, that's A minor there. We have 5, G major. Remember, you see I'm playing by the inversions, okay? The G, inversions, A, inversions, okay? Right. Then the G, then F, inversions, and C. Right. So that's the chord progression of the song, guy. So we have 6, that's 1, 6, 5. This G, the first inversion. Now this is 6. I prefer to play the second inversion, and the 4 I play the first inversion. Right, good. 6 A minor, 5 G major, and 4 as F major, and 1. My lover, take me out. Put your ring on my finger. Jesus, take me on the gate. Put your ring on my finger. That's all about the chord progression, guys. Let's do the melody of the song. Alright. Do, re, ti, do, ti, la, so, mi. Again. Mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, fa, mi. Do, re, ti, do, ti, la, so, mi. So when you are doing that, you're also playing the left, alright? So, mi, alright. 5, 4, and alright guys, that's the breakdown of the song. It's very simple and straightforward. Please do it to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.